How to negotiate roof replacement with insurance in Florida. In Florida, a sturdy roof is crucial due to weather conditions. Understanding your insurance policy is key, especially the difference between actual cash value and replacement cost value policies. Before filing a claim, document the damage. Take photos or videos and consider a professional inspection. Remember, Florida's 25% rule can influence your claim. Contact your insurance company, provide all necessary information, and schedule an inspection with an adjuster. Obtain estimates from qualified roofing contractors. If the offered amount by insurance is insufficient, don't panic. Public adjusters can help negotiate. Use Florida's laws and regulations to your advantage. Find a reputable roofing contractor with insurance claim experience. Ensure they comply with Florida's building codes and insurance claim procedures. Remember, knowing how to negotiate roof replacement with insurance in Florida is crucial. Seek professional assistance when necessary to ensure a smooth claim process and roof replacement. If you do not have time to learn how to negotiate roof replacement with insurance in Florida, call us at 561-202-3680, and our attorney for roof replacement in Florida will do all the work for you.